You send an invoice, and it looks like nothing. No logo, no color, just a bare template that could belong to anyone. With Vyroq's brand kit, that's fixed in seconds. Open brand kit and click the Invoices tab. This isn't your Vyroq billing invoice. It's a reusable branded template for your OWN customers, built from your logo and brand colors. Hit Generate, and for 4 credits, Vyroq composes a complete invoice template. Your branding applied sample line items already in place, so you see exactly how it will look. Watch the status bar while it works. Then your template lands right in the preview, styled and ready. Not quite right? Type what you'd like, changed in the refine box. Make the header bolder maybe, and click Regenerate for another 4 credits. Vyroq redraws it around your notes. Once it's perfect, click Download PDF. That's your template, reusable for every invoice you send from here on, no design work required. Never send a plain invoice again. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.